What is going on, everybody? DJ Minds here, and in today's video we are talking all about the bear market, but this time we're talking about the positive. Is there anything good that can come out of a bear market? I know everybody wants to focus on the bad, including myself, but definitely there has to be something, right? Fair warning, you're not going to learn anything in this video. It's really just us discussing it, you guys giving your opinion, we're all just talking about it, and I'm trying to be here for you, man. I am your therapist, not legally. I am not legally your therapist, but I'm going to be your therapist in this video, and we're going to find something good to say. Before we get into that, look at these boxes. Look how I have organized these. Tell me that is not beautiful right there. Not completely perfect because there's like different brands and stuff. There's like the AMD, and these are all 3060 Ti's until like there. No, these are all the 3080s, 3090s, and then like 3060 Ti's and 3060. I don't even know, but you get the point. Looks so much better because before this was covered all in here, and I'm just trying to think like, how can I make this room look better? And here's one way. It was pretty cool. While I was gone, Cryptee, shout out to Cryptee. I'll put a link in the description below. You can save 10% using my referral code. But they sent us this awesome Ethereum banner, and I would love to get this that says DJ Minds. I would love to get Red Panda and the Hobbyist and, you know, Chump Change, Red Fox, everybody, man. I would love to have Mining Office. You know, I'm sorry I can't name all of you. I would love to have all your banners in my room and at my new location that I'm building. So guys, please, Cryptee, consider that. At least, you know, some of us, let's do that. I would love to make custom banners, and I think that'd be so cool. I love the sticker thing, but the banner thing for me would be so freaking cool. So shout out to Cryptee for sending us this. They were also cool enough to send us out a mystery box while I was away, so I have no idea what's in here. I don't know. Let's see what is in here, guys. Open this bad boy up for crypto mining. What can you get? This is for your beer. What is that? That's an ASIC. That is pretty cool. ASIC, you know. Let me know if you guys are drinkers. I don't really drink that much. I'll drink a beer or two, but not a huge drinker myself. It says Cardona on it, and then this looks like an Ethereum pin. I have this pin. I don't know if that'll focus. I have this pin on a sweater, actually. My wife likes it a lot. And what else did we get? Bitcoin pin. Okay. Maybe I'll put that on a book bag or something. I think it just says Bitcoin in general. Got some stickers in there. Bunch of cool stickers. Yeah, Bitcoin. I really want to get into Bitcoin one day, like mining Bitcoin. HODL Club, baby. Ethereum. Yes, you guys know I love my Ethereum. And then, what is this? Oh, Ergo. Okay, Ergo, man. I really hope that Ergo takes off when Ethereum goes away. I don't know if it will, but I really hope it does, man. I don't want it to be like Ravencoin or something like that because it's just too hard on your GPU. So, got a cool little bag, man. Carry some stuff. Shout out to Cryptee. Thank you, guys.
All right, so you want to know something crazy? When I was moving those boxes, I found this 3080, and it actually has a 3080 in it. And I remember when I was making that Octominer rig, I was like, dude, I swear I had another 3080. And I searched my whole house to see if there's any GPUs laying around, because I have a bad habit about finding like random GPUs 6 months later. Well, guess what? I got this one like 6 or 7 months later, and this whole time it has not been mining. That feels bad, but we'll put that in the Octominer and we'll get that thing up and running. All right, so to finally get into the video topic at hand. Now, is there anything good that we can say about a bear market, the market that we're currently in, if things worsen later in this year, which they probably will? Absolutely. I think this is the time of opportunity. Anytime you're in a market where things are going down, just like the stock market, that is a buying opportunity. Now, would I buy at this current moment? Not really, unless it's like MSRP. If it's not MSRP, man, or like just 50 bucks above or something, I really wouldn't even touch it. Honestly, if it's like an LHR card, I definitely wouldn't touch it for over MSRP. Be patient. I know there's so many people in the Discord, they're like, dude, I found this deal. It's only 100 bucks more. You know, that's up to you. Obviously, it's not financial advice. You do what you think is best for you in your mining. But I really genuinely think that we are going to see more and more dropped sales, reduced sales, 20% less than they are right now, 25% long term. And so the more you wait out, in my opinion, probably the better off you'll be. I'm seeing locally on Facebook Marketplace, Founder Edition 3060 Ti's for $900 that nobody can sell. Like, they're just sitting for $900 in upstate New York. And I know that might differ in your country depending on what city you are or whatever, right? Things are different, but just to know the opportunities are definitely out there. And I think they're just going to continue to go. A lot of these scalpers, the guys who just flip these graphics cards and were making good money, even 20% gains, which isn't that great, but they were. I really think they're going to be sitting on a lot of these graphics cards long term, unless some magical, thunderbolt from the crypto gods comes and Ethereum just moons or something. If you want to buy brand new graphics cards, some other things that I've been seeing on Zotac website, you can buy, I believe it's 5 or 6 1660 Ti's, 1660 Supers. It's like the same price as Alibaba without all the hassle, maybe even saves you like $50. On Best Buy, you can buy 3 6600 XTs. I don't know about the Nvidia side because Nvidia is always sold out on Best Buy, but definitely starting to see some changes in the market. Another buying opportunity, in my opinion, during the bear market could be actually purchasing the coin. Maybe you're in a situation where you have to turn off your rigs or something, or you have 20, 30, 40 cent electric, which is absurd. I couldn't imagine having that much. But, if you're in that situation, maybe at some point down the line, not right now, but some point down the line, it's better for you to just purchase the coin. And I do think that I will be purchasing the coin if we continue to go down, but it has to be a much larger drop, at least another 20% for things like Flux or Helium, or I don't know if you like Raven or whatever, right? Whatever you like, right? I do think long term, for those people who can't afford to mine, or maybe their equipment wasn't efficient enough and they didn't really, figure out what they were going to do and plan it properly. Maybe for those people, purchasing the coin would be better. But again, you don't want to get what they call shit coins, right? You don't want to get like a bunch of Avion or something like that. You want to get a coin that's you really think is going to do well, like maybe a Cardano or something, or Solana, I don't know, but that's just random examples that I had to think of. Another opportunity during the bear market would definitely be hardware. There's no way that B250s are going to continue to be $300, $400, $500. Like, that's ridiculous. And first off, I don't even know why you would pay that much. I told you guys many times on Alibaba, I buy $100 Esonics, been using them for almost a year now, and they are absolutely incredible. No, not sponsored or anything, but I don't know why people are still paying $300, $400, $500 for a B250. But think about it. These frames over here, over there, right? All this equipment, there's no way it's going to stay $130 for a frame. If you ask some of the OGs from the last bear market, which I was not a part of, and you watch their videos, they'll tell you they would buy like a box of B250s, or they would buy, a ton of frames or something because they were like 20, 30 bucks. And that's really when you want to grow and how we're going to grow. And I don't have the best advice because I was buying a lot, but I've been definitely slowing it down, and I'm really just waiting for those perfect opportunities. So I think hardware, like I myself, I'm probably going to go the Octominer route, but if they ever drop the prices significantly, I would be buying a lot more Octominers. I know I'll be buying things like RAM, I'll be buying PC fans, I'll be buying like a lot of the accessories that I really don't think are just going to maintain their value or hold that value through a very critical bear market. So that's something to really consider, is your accessories. Since we are hunting the good stuff, which was actually very challenging for this video, by the way. Another thing you could do, you could start to think about, is electric. If you are trying to expand, if you're trying to get away from that at-home mining, you could look for different opportunities for properties, or potentially building a shed, right? You don't even have to put everything in it. You just have to build the structure itself in your backyard, or whatever you have to do. You can find a better electric rate somewhere, maybe move, which probably is really extreme. You're not going to do that, but it's something to consider, right? There's a lot of things that you consider during a bear market. And if you believe in crypto, which I'm assuming you do if you're watching this video, then you want to plan for the next bull run, right? So maybe cleaning your PCs. I think it was a hobbyist miner that suggested that. Like, there's so many things that you can do in a bear market, preparing you for that next bull run if you do believe in the next bull run. Not financial advice, that has to be said. All right, everybody, and that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you hit that like and consider subscribing. We're really close to 4,000 subscribers. And look at these, man. I got these stickers. I still want to send these to you guys. I really do. If you're inside the US, I will pay for it. Canada, I think I could probably pay for it. Anything other than that, I might just ask you to pay for shipping, which probably isn't that much, to be honest with me, like a couple bucks or something. I'm not really sure, but hit me up in the Discord, man. Join the Discord. Tell me you want one. I'll pay for the sticker. Like, I want to give these out to you guys. I have more than this. I have like 100 or something. I want to give these out for free. Get back to my community. I don't even want to charge you unless it's like excessive shipping. So that's it, man. I'll catch you guys on the next video. DJ Minds signing out.